Your side plank challenge part 2. If you tried your challenge last week and you found, oh, I really do tend to feel side planks in my back, my QL overworks. I don't feel it in my lateral abs where it's usually the objective of feeling side planks. I want you to try this side plank challenge for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate a little bit of rolling, but I'm going to make it quite challenging for you. So what I want you to do is lie on your back and go into a posterior pelvic tilt, which will flatten your back on the ground. So you're going to go into a posterior pelvic tilt. I want you to think about using your abdominals to do that. So you're simply going to hold this more hollowed out appearance in your stomach, using those abdominal muscles to kind of bring your back down toward the ground. Okay, so as you hold that posterior pelvic tilt, what we're going to do from there is bring your knee up and over, shoulders stay open, chest stays open, flat on the ground, and you're going to roll over to the side. Now, you may think, oh, that was really easy, but let me go over two things, and I bet you did one of those two if you thought it was easy. You either press this leg hard into the ground. Anybody can roll if they use this glute, okay? So I need this leg to be light, so go into that posterior tilt for me. Lighten your right leg, light as a feather. Holding that right leg light as a feather, then roll over for me, okay? So holding that leg. If you dig this leg in, that's cheating, all right? I know I just suddenly made it really hard. The other way to cheat is if you go to roll, you go into your posterior tilt and you go to roll and you lose it and you go into that anterior tilt. That's saying, hey, I can't initiate my pelvis moving over without my back helping to do the work. Okay, so those are your two challenges that I want you to try. So hold that posterior tilt, work on making that leg light, work on not losing that posterior tilt as you roll that leg over. Okay, so I want you to try both ways. I want you to go to the right and I want you to go to the left, and I want you to try both ways to see if one way is easier or harder, and then you'll know which way you need to work. Work on that a little bit and then try your side plank again and see if you feel a little bit less in your back.